Seat slides are in there again. Friggin' nasty, dude. Drained it into the bucket. Let you know what it looks like when I'm done. I'm at a stopping point, fucking finally. Not 100% on the distributor, but I'm gonna look something up if I ever make it up to the house. It's 7:30, and the dogs are supposed to eat at 7, and I still gotta put the chickens up. So, but I got the new Mummert manifold on there. It's not torqued down because you see there's a gap here. So I'm gonna contact them and see if there's a particular sequence or torque spec for this, because I don't want to break it. Got the 180 degree thermostat in there. That's a Mummert gooseneck. Doesn't give you much room here, so I'm gonna see if I can slide something on there and make it work. But that's where we're at now. Distributor's in, probably correct, maybe not, who fucking knows. Intake's on, valley pan's on. This took forever because I had to clean. I'd chase every single friggin' hole. The gasket surfaces were friggin' terrible. There was so much buildup of junk in this engine. It was friggin' insane. And to think, when I bought it, he said, that engine's been recently rebuilt. Yeah, maybe with a rattle can, bud. So, that's where we're at for now. Let's go check on the seat slides. They're almost coming into view. Normally I would pull the basket out, but the basket's out here because those things are huge. I was able to get one out. I'm not putting my hand in that water because it's hot as fuck. It's like 80 degrees Celsius, which is something Fahrenheit. I'm not going to do the math. Just spray it off with some brake clean, man. Get the rest of that junk. Oh yeah, hell yeah. So that turned out halfway decent. It rattles now. It's not full of junk, so it should slide pretty easy. It'd be pretty nice. Let's go check on the other one. All right, we're gonna risk it. Oh fuck, it's hot. Easy. All right, hold on. Let's hope that bucket's big enough. It should be. If it's not, it'll be all right. Let's take this over there. Look at steam. All right, I got one gunk sprayed off. I could. That one rattles too. So hold on, there's another piece. Never mind, it must be paint. So, those are all cleaned up. I'm going to lube them with that stuff over there. It's kind of basically white lithium. It's garage door lube, but I bought it for my garage door and the ball in that bed. So, yeah. Hopefully, if we ever get that fucking thing done, fuck, I didn't turn the light off. We can get this seat done, and then we can drive that thing. That'd be pretty cool. All right, that's it. I still got a bunch of shit to do. See ya.